question is asking us to calculate how much stronger of a base acetate is than the chloride ion. We are given the two individual reactions of HCl and acetic acid with water and their corresponding KEQ values. What this question is really asking is what is the KEQ value of this combined question with chloride and acetate on opposite sides of the equilibrium. The KEQ value can be calculated from the individual KEQ values of the individual reactions. We can calculate it as the KEQ value for the chloride reaction, 10 to the 5th, divided by the KEQ value for the acetate reaction, 10 to the minus 7th. That means the KEQ value for this reaction is 10 to the 5th minus negative 7. Or when we work that out, the KEQ value for this comparison is 10 to the 12th. That means that acetate is 10 to the 12th times a stronger base than chloride. Writing that out a different way, that means that it is 1 trillion that means that acetate is 1 trillion times stronger of a base than chloride.